Hello, everyone. I am Rachel from mercifulmornings.com. On this channel, you will find the education, encouragement, and support that you need for online teaching and daily life. Today, we are back in the Zoom platform because I would like to show you, Outschool teachers, how to do a refund for students if needed or a discount, and also how to transfer students from one section of a class to another. These are all things that you as the teacher can do within the Outschool platform. If you are not already an Outschool teacher and you think you might like to give it a shot, be sure to email me, mercifulmornings@gmail.com, so we can get you going with that. I have lots of free resources and coaching services for anybody who's interested in signing up with Outschool. So for those of you who are already in it, or those of you who are learning the system, here we go. I'm going to start by sharing my screen, which is why we are in Zoom today. And we're going into my teaching platform. I'm going to make my video a little bit bigger. Hopefully that helps. Okay, so this is my schedule. Now, before I jumped into this video, I created just a private section of one of my classes. That is here. You'll see it says private. I have one learner enrolled. It's my kid. And I did this because I just wanted to show you, without impacting any of my other learners, how you would go about this process. So I'm going to click the section. This is what it looks like when you click on just one section of your class. So here I've got my one learner enrolled, and for whatever reason, you might get a message saying, hey, we've had something pop up. Can you transfer my child from this section to this section? And you can do that. So what I'm going to do is click on his name. Oh, last attendance, never. That's okay. And over here, you can click on change enrollment next to his name. Now for parent conversations, that would be down here, but up here, I'm going to change his enrollment. So I can withdraw him and issue a refund. Typically, there would be a section to transfer him to a different section. I will look at that on another kiddo because with this one, I don't have any other sections open for this particular class. So I can either withdraw him with a full refund, I can withdraw him and just get some of a refund, or I can choose how much of a refund I'm going to give right here. So if I only wanted to refund half of it, maybe I'm giving a 50% off discount and I refund $5. That is one way to refund that money. For this one, I'm going to say we will withdraw him, give a full refund. So I'm going to click that button here. Why are you withdrawing this learner? Let's see. We'll just say other, and I'm going to explain it. Class no longer needed. If you have a family emergency, you can put that in here. If you, whatever the reason is, or parent requested to withdraw, you can put that in here. And now it's very clear to me, withdraw Logan with a full refund. I'm getting all the money back. Click it. Here it goes. Now it shows you withdrawn. There he is. I have no kids enrolled here. So for this particular class, I have withdrawn him. I am going to go back to my sections of teaching. And I'm going to come down to another class. Let's click this one. This is a one-time class. And you will see in here, I've got two kiddos enrolled, okay? And I can click on one of them and say, mom says, hey, this really conflicts with something else we have going on. I can come over to change enrollment again, and it's going to pop up and it says transfer. If I wanted to transfer this student, it'll pop up with other sections that I have available. Now, this did not happen on the previous class because it was the only section I had open for that class at the time. But if you have opened multiple sections of one class, it'll show you the other times and dates available to choose from. So you want to make sure you work that out with the parent before you do it. But notice also on this one, because of the time and date of this class and when they enrolled, I can withdraw him, but they're not going to get a refund, or I can come down here and issue a refund depending on the amount I want to do. So you do have those options there, but that's where you're going to go to do all of these things, is change enrollment in the class section. That's it. Transfer, refund, that includes giving a discount. You can refund a partial amount, you can withdraw the student and offer a full refund. So quick and easy. Now you know where to go to do that in the platform. I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, Be sure you like this video and share it with anyone else who might benefit from it. And be sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that bell so you're notified when these videos pop up, because I am constantly uploading resources for this library to help online teachers, and also just some things that are encouraging for daily life. You don't want to miss any of it. Again, if you're interested in teaching online, email me, mercifulmornings@gmail.com. I would love to coach you through the process, through course creation. I love it. It's fun, and anything that goes along with it. So I hope to hear from you soon. Happy teaching, everyone. Remember, there is always hope. So choose joy. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.